Money does grow on trees, the power of belief in abundance. Introduction. In the vast orchard of life there exists a tree unlike any other. Its branches stretch toward the sky, laden with the ripe fruits of abundance. But these fruits are not ordinary. They are currency, the very essence of wealth and prosperity. This tree, known as the tree of abundance, holds within its branches the promise of infinite riches for those who dare to believe. In the following exploration, we will delve into the concept that money does indeed grow on trees, metaphorically speaking, and that the power of belief is the key to unlocking its abundance. We will journey through the orchard of possibilities, exploring the roots of scarcity mindset, the branches of prosperity consciousness, and the fruits of manifesting one's desires. So let us begin our exploration of the boundless abundance that surrounds us, waiting to be claimed by those who believe. Chapter 1. The Roots of Scarcity Mindset. In the garden of the mind, the seeds of belief are sown deep within the soil of consciousness. For many, these seeds take root in the fertile ground of scarcity mindset, where the belief in lack and limitation thrives. Like weeds choking the life from a garden, scarcity mindset stifles the growth of abundance, leaving barren branches and withered fruits in its wake. From an early age, we are taught to believe in the scarcity of resources, that there is never enough to go around. We hear phrases like, money doesn't grow on trees, and you have to work hard to make a living, instilling in us the belief that abundance is scarce and difficult to attain. These beliefs take hold in our subconscious minds, shaping our thoughts, attitudes, and behaviors toward money and wealth. As we internalize these beliefs, we begin to see evidence of scarcity everywhere we look. We pinch pennies, save for a rainy day, and hold tightly to what little we have, fearing that it may disappear at any moment. We live in a constant state of lack, always chasing after more but never truly feeling satisfied. But what if we were to uproot these limiting beliefs and plant new seeds of abundance in their place? What if we were to shift our mindset from scarcity to abundance and begin to see money as abundant and readily available, like the fruits on the tree of abundance? This shift in perspective is the first step toward unlocking the infinite riches that await us. Chapter 2. The Branches of Prosperity Consciousness. As we cultivate the soil of our minds and plant the seeds of abundance, we begin to see the first signs of growth. Tiny shoots emerge from the earth, reaching toward the sky with hopeful determination. These shoots represent the beginnings of prosperity consciousness, the belief that abundance is our birthright and that wealth flows freely to those who align with its energy. Prosperity consciousness is a state of mind characterized by optimism, confidence, and trust in the abundance of the universe. It is the belief that there is more than enough to go around, and that we are deserving of all the riches life has to offer. With prosperity consciousness, we see opportunities where others see obstacles, abundance where others see scarcity, and wealth where others see poverty. To cultivate prosperity consciousness, we must tend to the garden of our minds with care and intention. We must nurture our beliefs in abundance, watering them with positive thoughts, affirmations, and visualizations. We must prune away the weeds of doubt and fear, replacing them with the seeds of faith and confidence in our ability to attract wealth and prosperity. As we tend to our inner garden, we begin to see the fruits of our labor manifesting in the world around us. Opportunities present themselves, doors open, and synchronicities abound, guiding us toward greater abundance and fulfillment. We attract wealth effortlessly as if by magic, because we have aligned our thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of prosperity. Chapter 3. The Fruits of Manifestation. With our beliefs firmly rooted in abundance and our consciousness aligned with prosperity, we are ready to harvest the fruits of our manifestation. Like the bountiful harvest of the tree of abundance, these fruits are rich, ripe, and overflowing with abundance in all its forms. The first fruit of manifestation is financial abundance. Money flows into our lives with ease and grace, arriving in unexpected ways and in greater amounts than we ever imagined possible. We no longer struggle to make ends meet or worry about how we will pay the bills. Instead, we trust in the universe's abundant provision and know that all our needs will be met. But financial abundance is just the beginning. As we continue to nurture our prosperity consciousness, we begin to see other fruits of manifestation ripening on the branches of our lives. We experience vibrant health, loving relationships, fulfilling careers, and a deep sense of inner peace and fulfillment. we realize that true abundance encompasses all aspects of life, not just material wealth, and we are grateful for the richness of our experiences. With each fruit we harvest, we deepen our understanding of the power